gihapon. Now, wa ko mahibalog unsay sinugdanan sa ilang panagsabot, pero niabot yun ang wedding, nagkaroon sila ng napulo ka mga kabataan. Naapod may membro siyam ka
I give myself to you. God has enabled me to walk with you faithfully and cherish the treasure of you. As I obey the Spirit's voice, I seek to do His will, and then I can see the wisdom of His plan. The treasure of you. I cherish the treasure of you. Lifelong companion, I give myself to you. God.
Edolfa, kumti ang ring niya, musunod ka no, musunod ka sa akong isulti. Sige, atubang mo duha. Okay, anak ba? Oh. Kana bang kuan ba? Nasa status nga suluban ka ng singsing. Ano ba? So, asa dapit ka sulubag singsing? Sige. Daha. Okay. Sabat Sister Edolfa Bartolome. This ring is my promise that I will love you for all time. I place this ring on your finger that all may see and know of my love for you. Sige, isulob.
Di masigo.
Giuwilan good. Pati sa approach. Ana. Ay, sorry. Ang this ring is my promise. That I will love you. For all time. I place this ring on your finger. That all may see. And know of my love for you. Okay, taon. Uy, at today sa aping. Uy, aping ay. Sa kuan yun. Sa lips yun. Sige. Ready. Oh, naguwat ang kamera. Kiss the bride. Palakpakan. Kiss.
And you pray, I know you are the one.
Nanibago.
I give to you my heart and
Wala ni
soul
Huawei ron.
with a love that will never grow
Sige.
old.
Labok.
In my life, I can see that you were made for me. You'll be there to catch me if I fall.
I therefore conclude the ceremony by wishing the couple well by the love of all who support them and expressing